Oh, that's been hit hard. Up and over cover for 4. Touch wide from Southie. Babar Azam went up and over with 3/4 seam. Oh, that swung away for 4. That's your reply, your answer right there, Grunt. Elliot, how much risk do you take? Is this a risk-free shot from Babar Azam? Well, it was in the air. Have a look how close. Oh, that's pulled away. What a shot that is. Just a touch short from Milne. Onto anything short so quick. Picks up length so early. That is impressive stuff from Babar Azam. Oh, on the out. That's even better. Oh, exquisite. That is beautiful from Babar Azam. Hit that on the top. Well, this is why everyone loves watching him bat. Just watch this. Well, that swung away for 4. See in the over. A good one for Pakistan. 13 from it. 35 for 2. Yeah, for Pakistan, but he's a dangerous player. Oh, there you go. Swung away. That'll be 6, maybe. Flat. Oh, yes. That's out the middle. That's all the way. Back to back. 6s. Fine for the home side. Well, we both had a funny... Backing away again, and he beats cover. That's 4 more. Babar this time.
He just creates his space that he needs.
Big. Real big. That is gone. And that may be out of the ground as well. Well, it's not got away at all from Fakhar zaman. It's gone 5 rows deep. Right in front of the beer tent too. And again. And again. Same medicine for East Sodi. And I think someone's caught that too. Pulled away this time. And that goes for 4 more. Racking up the runs in this Sodi over. 18 so far. Comes down to meet him. And sends that flying to the boundary. That is an aggressive shot. First up to Adam Milne. Fakhar zaman is on one. He follows it up and it's wide and it's slashed away for 4 again.
To Fakhar zaman. Sensational batting. His role is
full here. Now he goes short and it's chopped on and he can't believe it. A howl of anguish from Fakhar zaman.